Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see Swachhata Hi Seva essay. Essay on Swachhata Hi Seva. Swachhata Hi Seva means cleanliness is service. It is a campaign started by the government to make India clean. The goal is to make people aware of the importance of keeping our surrounding neat and tidy. As part of the campaign, people clean public places, streets, and schools. It teaches us to throw waste in the dustbin and not litter. Cleanliness helps prevent disease and keeps us healthy. Everyone, including children, can help by cleaning their home and neighborhood. It also protects the environment. A clean India will make our country more beautiful and safer to live in. Swachhata Hi Seva reminds us that cleanliness is everyone's responsibility. Thank you for watching my video. Like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.